In this video, I'm going to share some solid home maintenance tips for new homeowners that'll save you a bunch of headaches and keep your place looking sharp all year round. Owning a house is exciting, but also comes with a ton of responsibility, so knowing what to focus on can really help you avoid costly repairs down the line. First off, always keep an eye on your roof and gutters. Clogged gutters can cause water damage real quick, so clean them out at least twice a year, especially after fall. Next, check your HVAC system regularly and change those air filters every 1 to 3 months to keep the air fresh and your energy bills low. Don't forget to test your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms monthly. You don't want to find out they're dead when it's too late. Also, make sure you're sealing windows and doors properly to keep drafts out and your heating or cooling efficient. I always recommend scheduling a professional plumbing check once a year to catch leaks or corrosion early. Keep an eye on your water heater, flushing it annually to clear out sediment buildup that can mess with its efficiency. Lastly, maintaining your yard and landscaping isn't just about looks. Trimming trees away from your home can prevent damage during storms and keep pests at bay. One of the biggest mistakes new homeowners make is ignoring small issues like dripping faucets or minor cracks in the foundation, thinking they'll just fix themselves. Spoiler alert, they don't. Another common problem is skipping regular maintenance on HVAC systems or water heaters, leading to way bigger bills down the road. And you gotta be careful not to overlook pest control. Leaving gaps or clutter around your home invites unwanted critters that can cause real damage fast. The good news is, spotting these early and scheduling routine checkups or quick fixes can keep your home running smooth and save you a ton of money. If you're looking for a hand with these projects, check out bighomeprojects.com, where homeowners like us get connected with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. It's also pretty cool for contractors trying to find real work without all the hassle of hunting for clients themselves. You know, it's like a win-win for everyone trying to keep their homes in top shape or build up their business.